Did you bring the groceries? Did you bring the groceries?
Yes, I brought everything from the store. Yes, I brought everything from the store.
Can you teach me how to cook? Can you teach me how to cook?
Of course, I will teach you tomorrow. Of course, I will teach you tomorrow.
How far is the school from here? How far is the school from here?
It is about 2 kilometers from here. It is about 2 kilometers from here.
What will you wear to the party? What will you wear to the party?
I will wear my blue dress. I will wear my blue dress.
Have you checked your email today? Have you checked your email today?
Yes, I checked it in the morning. Yes, I checked it in the morning.
Are you studying for your exam? Are you studying for your exam?
Yes, I study every night for it. Yes, I study every night for it.
Why are you laughing so much? Why are you laughing so much?
I just remembered a funny story. I just remembered a funny story.
When is your sister's birthday? When is your sister's birthday?
Her birthday is next week. Her birthday is next week.
Do you exercise in the morning? Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I jog for 30 minutes daily. Yes, I jog for 30 minutes daily.
Are you free tomorrow afternoon? Are you free tomorrow afternoon?
Yes, I have nothing planned for then. Yes, I have nothing planned for then.
What are you planning for the weekend? What are you planning for the weekend?
I want to go shopping with Mum. I want to go shopping with Mum.
Why did you come late today? Why did you come late today?
The traffic was very bad this morning. The traffic was very bad this morning.
Have you paid the house rent? Have you paid the house rent?
Yes, I paid it last week. Yes, I paid it last week.
Where are you going in such a hurry? Where are you going in such a hurry?
I have an appointment at the clinic. I have an appointment at the clinic.
Are you good at cooking? Are you good at cooking?
Yes, I cook well, but not perfectly. Yes, I cook well, but not perfectly.
Do you have any plans for tonight? Do you have any plans for tonight?
No, I will stay home and rest. No, I will stay home and rest.
Have you finished your work yet? Have you finished your work yet?
Not yet. I still have some work. Not yet. I still have some work.
What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?
I love winter because it is cool. I love winter because it is cool.
Do you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I learned swimming when I was young. Yes, I learned swimming when I was young.
What time did you wake up today? What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6 in the morning. I woke up at 6 in the morning.
What will you do after lunch? What will you do after lunch?
I will take a short rest. I will take a short rest.
Do you want to learn to drive? Do you want to learn to drive?
Yes, I really want to learn it. Yes, I really want to learn it.
Did you enjoy your holiday? Did you enjoy your holiday?
Yes, it was a wonderful holiday. Yes, it was a wonderful holiday.
Are you feeling hungry now? Are you feeling hungry now?
Yes, I am a little hungry. Yes, I am a little hungry.
Are you going to rest now? Are you going to rest now?
Yes, I am very tired right now. Yes, I am very tired right now.